The oath ceremony is over. Fadnavis is the new chief minister. But there's a showdown meanwhile that the Shiv Sena is facing. And that's over an advertisement or basically a poster banner that had been put out. This is by the BJP. Now, as you can see, while there are all other leaders, there is Shiv Sena, but there's no Bal Thackeray's photograph in the advertisement. So this is what the Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray Sena group has jumped on. They're fuming. UBT MPs asking, why was there no Bal Thackeray photograph in the advertisement? Shinde is using Balasaheb's name, says the UBT MP, but not when the photograph needs to show his acknowledgement. Now, Shinde and the Sena has hit back on this, saying Balasaheb Thackeray is in our hearts.
आणि अशा या महाराष्ट्राचं नेतृत्व 2.5 वर्ष करण्याची संधी माझ्यासारख्या सर्वसामान्य शेतकऱ्याच्या कुटुंबातल्या कार्यकर्त्याला बाळासाहेबांच्या आशीर्वादाने, धर्मवीर आनंदीके साहेबांच्या आशीर्वादाने मिळाली, हे मी माझं भाग्य समजतो. बाळासाहेब ठाकरे जी हमारे दिल में है, हमारे दिल में है.
All right, so that's the big story that we are looking at. This is an advertisement that was released by the BJP. So that's the reason you see Prime Minister Modi, Fadnavis in more prominence. Then there's Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar. And this is with regard to the oath ceremony and also how that the Mahayuti 2.0 is taking shape. To this, the UBT has jumped in. And remember that there are other leaders too. You can see Balasaheb Ambedkar, you can see Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, you can see other leaders specifically centered around Maharashtra, and yet there is no Balasaheb Thackeray. That is the reason that the Shiv Sena is charging that there are all other leaders, historical figures who can be seen. But Shinde Sena, who have in many ways said that they are the ones taking Balasaheb Thackeray's ideology and views ahead, his photograph has not found a mention. Vidya is joining me live this morning on the latest on that. Vidya, tell me this, what is this advertisement about and what has riled up the Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray Sena so much over this?
Well, this advertisement was put out by the BJP and what Sanjay Raut is essentially saying that why is Eknath Shinde, who talks about Bal Thackeray as and when he wishes like, why is he not having the courage to ask a question to the BJP as to why along with him photo of Bal Thackeray is not there. But remember, yesterday also Eknath Shinde had replied to this. He had very clearly stated that Bal Thackeray was in his heart, and after the entire oath taking ceremony and taking over the office, he had actually gone to there's an idol of Bal Thackeray near the Regal Theatre in South Mumbai, and that's where he had gone and garlanded the statue as well. So these are issues that what Shiv Sainiks have been saying from the Eknath Shinde camp is that they are just riling up this entire issues only to just make sure that there is some issue alive. But technically, because they have lost it, and that is why they are just making such kind of issues which do not really exist, is what Eknath Shinde camp people have been stating.
All right, Vidya, keep tracking all the latest on that. So that's what the UBT Sena is saying. Their MP is asking so many figures, historical, political, but not Balasaheb Thackeray. Also remember, this is a BJP advertisement, and that's what with Eknath Shinde responding that Balasaheb Thackeray is in our hearts.